Life is a road. Where does it go? You'll run after the answers your whole life and live every single moment like the last, leaving nothing and nobody behind. There will be obstacles on your way. Doubts. Hard times. It's only there to distinguish the strong from the weak. Go with your heart. Put everything in the battle. What's the point of having dreams and giving so much? So much energy. So much intransigence. So much care. Trophies, medals, fame. You can have it all. But the real success is not there. One day you will understand that the road is the life. It's not about where you go. It's about how you go and who you're going with.